Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all different ways you can take a full page screenshot on Oppo A77. And to do this, first let's open a settings. Right here on the bottom you should find additional settings, enter them. Here select gestures and motions and make sure that you enable swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Now we can move on and open any app that we can take a full page screenshot of. In this case, I chose settings. Make sure that you're on top of the page. Then there's 2 different ways we can do this full page screenshot. First one is to press on the power key and volume down key. This will create a simple screenshot and we can go for a scroll. It will begin scrolling down entire page. You can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. I'm gonna go for the bottom of the page like that. Now it's time to click on done and open a screenshot if you want. As you can see, it's in full page. Moving on to the second option, also you will need to be at the top of the page. Now use your 3 fingers like that and scroll them from the top of the screen. This should also make a screenshot and we can choose to scroll it. Wait for it till it reaches the bottom or click on done again when you're satisfied. And that's how you make a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.